Why do 70% of beginners struggle with buying Bitcoin in Germany? Here's how to make it easy. First, choose a cryptocurrency exchange. Compare options like Coinbase, Bitpanda, Kraken, Bitstamp, and Bison. Each has unique features, so pick what suits you best. Next, create an account. Visit the exchange website, sign up, and complete the KYC AML checks with your ID. Then, fund your account. Use a bank transfer, debit card, or other methods. Remember, some options might have higher fees. Now, buy Bitcoin. Find Bitcoin on the platform and place a buy order. Choose market or limit orders based on your preference. Finally, secure your Bitcoin. Consider using a hardware wallet like Ledger or Trezor for added security. Before you start, do your research, use strong security measures, and understand the tax rules in Germany. Start small and grow as you learn. Disclaimer: investing in cryptocurrency involves risks. Do your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decision.